Hi everyone, today my boy Flynn is with me in the kitchen. He wants to help me out with this corn on the cob recipe. We're actually gonna grill it on, yes, this corn. Are you gonna peel it for me, Flynn? Help me out. We're gonna do this outside and we're gonna grill it on the barbecue and we're gonna add some Mexican flavor to it. We're gonna add some guacamole, lime juice, some spicy herbamare, and some hemp seeds on top. So are you ready, Flynn?
Some hemp seeds.
Yeah, are you ready?
And some spicy oil.
Some spicy sauce. Let's do it.
So first off, you just peel your corn and you put it on the grill for a few minutes and turn around when it's cooked on each side. You take it out. Meanwhile, I'm making the guacamole and I'm going to make it pretty liquid so I can spread it out onto the cooked corn in a fine line kind of design. So I'm taking a ripe avocado, 1 or 2, put the juice of half a lime, a shallot, some herbamare, the spicy herbamare, a little bit of sriracha, and then simply blend that all together. Put that in a little bag that you can cut the edge off so you can spread it onto your corn on the cob, just like I'm doing, or you can dip it or spread it with a knife. But for it to look good and nice, I like that method. So basically I just sprinkle some hemp seeds, some cilantro, the spicy herbamare once again, and you can also add more lime juice if you want.